Hi,
welcome to Dre&Cort
and Andrea.
Today we're doing a mukbang.
Captain D's.
Captain D's. I think this is the first time I'm trying this, so if I don't like the food, don't judge me.
Okay. I've had it before. I know. This one mine is.
Yeah, that's yours. That's the fish and the shrimp.
You only gave me one fish.
So how much fish you expected? You don't eat more than one fish.
Well, I gotta feed the baby. Me and her sharing.
You act like she gonna eat a lot. I have
Black
shrimp.
They don't see. Oh.
Tilapia with
sure
green
mine.
beans.
I have green beans, broccoli, fish, and fried shrimp. Okay.
What you want to eat?
You want some broccoli?
I know mine look nice.
Hot. Here it is. At least yours got hush puppies.
What's a hush puppy?
These.
What
ball
is it?
things.
What is it?
It's like cornmeal mixed with batter. Something like that. It's like fried dumpling, but it's not. Look at her took up a shrimp.
I'm gonna try silent dog.
Drea. Okay, mommy help you. Bye.
Bro, this is a fritters
Fritter.
or fried dumpling. It's exactly
That's
what
why
it
I
is.
say it's different from you guys, but she don't even like the fish. What about this? You might like this, boo. You gonna try this? Oh, you want your broccoli now? Huh. Uh-oh. Hi, mommy.
So how are you guys doing today?
You guys peeped the Christmas tree? It looks plain and dull. We had to keep moving the
You know
candy
why?
canes
No.
up.
You know why it's plain and dull?
She want to take all the spotlight.
And don't say why we eating on the floor. Why don't let somebody try to open my gift?
I told you she been trying to do it.
The table's there, but when I like eat on the table like somebody go. And then she start following me come on the floor too, so.
Well, you expect me to eat way far from you?
Yeah.
Oh, and now I see where this going.
On broccoli? What's it?
I'm gonna try fish. You gonna say fish? Say fish. Fish. Good girl. Our baby's smart. Well, yeah. And she's only one, you guys. A big one.
No, she's 16 months. Yeah. All right.
Okay, boo. I already poured
16.
some on there. Here, baby. Huh? You gonna make her cut up. I tell you. Drea. This every time. Every video she gotta be rude.
I'm gonna bite you, baby.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, here, check your juice. Are you thirsty? It's practically good fish. This meal not for you.
It's the only thing I drink, actually.
I'm drinking Kool-Aid. I know I'm about to pick up a Mystic drink out of Walmart because I haven't had it in so long.
Me either, but Fish not bad. You do a better job.
Hmm?
The fish not bad, but you do a better job.
Well, thank you. Like lately, I've been getting. I cook too. Well, you know what? I ain't even gonna say. I don't want to
giving
be
you
saying.
white chicken.
They gonna ding us for being racial. You ready for the fish? Yummy. Look how she looking. You should see her face. And good, huh?
Baby, see some poo shiesty?
Tria. Here, babes. You want some green beans?
She posted a few videos. It's Dre&Cort. This is my first one in the video. I'm sorry, y'all. I be mad busy. And I don't eat some of the stuff. I don't like Subway.
Yeah, what do you like? Not Quiznos. What's that one place?
Firehouse sub. That's the best subbing ever.
Yeah, and Charlie's, the
I
one out
don't
the
know damn
mall.
Charlie's sub.
Charlie's is good. Let me know in the comments if y'all think, what you say?
Firehouse sub.
Or Charlie's. Which one's the best? Let me know.
Everybody gonna say Firehouse.
We gonna
I don't
see.
even like Publix sub. The only sub I like.
Publix is nice
The
too.
only sub I like is from Firehouse. That's it. A
You
beef
crazy.
brisket, fire.
Jersey Mike's is even good.
I brought a Jersey Mike home. You ate it? No, it stayed in the fridge. We threw it
No,
out.
because if it had been something I purchased myself, then maybe I would have ate it. But and then it wasn't something that I really wanted to eat. I have to pick out what I'm going to eat from there, not what somebody else picked.
This is not what I wanted, y'all. I wanted the fish and shrimp skewer, but they said, oh,
baby.
we're out of shrimp skewer. And I don't really like battered shrimp. I like it steamed or grilled. So that's why I chose this.
Babe, can you? She keep playing with the lid. Oh, I just realized what her other shoe was right there. You need some more juice again. Or water.
She need water. No more of that sweet Kool-Aid that you need.
She been drinking water today. She don't even want this really. All she really eating is a veggie. And I don't know what kind of meat they put in here, but that shit was nasty. I'm sorry for cuss, but
Baby, stop. Come here. Oh, your mouth's still full.
look at her.
They say she's my twin. Is it true? Baby. Baby.
Got her belly all out.
It's full. No more food.
Look at her trying to think it's a fork. You can't pick it up with that. Hold it.
Do you think she's my twin?
Let me get some water for her.
Sit with Daddy.
Yeah, even no more cold water.
Huh?
Room temperature. You took the last one.
I don't drink room temperature. What do you notice?
I'ma just put some ice in her cup. That way it's cold.
I'm going to have a shake in it.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I wonder how long that video by now is.
leave it.
I ain't trying to make it so hard. Let me see.
You got 10 minutes.
Most of them do videos that shit with. No, she didn't put this lid back over here.
It's her plate.
They could have put some seasoning.
Seasoning, they're dry, but they're bland, so.
Right. No butter, no nothing. They cooking like they in the old people facility. At least I put flavor in my stuff.
You know who they cater for?
Who?
You know what I'm gonna say.
You know. Huh. Oh, you eating something, all right. Okay, I'm sorry. My food pretty good, but I can't. Long John Silver still got them bitch to me.
If Long John Silver was good, you could find one in the area. There's no Long John Silver like.
Cause they got rid of them.
Because they're not good.
No, it's not that. She eating the shell part, babe.
I didn't give it to her.
Well, I was giving her the water. No, boo, you can't eat that part. If you want meat, you gotta eat this one. At least the green bean tastes a little better because meat in there gave it some life. Without the meat, I don't think.
I give this thing that I'm eating like a 5. I'm a big food critic. I like flavor and taste in my food.
And salt, you might as well say.
No, not really salt, because I don't put when I cook, you see me use salt? No. I use seasoning to give it flavor.
The fish really that bad? It's like you really didn't touch it.
No, I'm gonna eat it. You know how I eat. Stop it.
While I was up, you should ask me for bread, because it looked like you maybe want bread with it.
Yeah. I got rice underneath. I didn't know they was giving me rice.
I think it come with it, that's why.
Yeah, but I think I saw, yours came with rice too, right?
No, it was just this. You keep dropping everything on the floor.
Oh, the rice tastes good.
That's the first, because you never really care for white rice like that.
You know this. You know what I remember? You know what I miss? Eat this blackened, so-called blackened fish.
What?
Place where we normally go in the Altamont.
Oh, our spot at the bar?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
You get the blackened shrimp. That blackened shrimp was good.
I forget what that place called. I was talking to one of my sisters about that place, that's our spot.
Every time we went to the doctors for the checkup for the baby, we stopped there.
That was our lunch date every time. I can't think of the name what it's called.
I know, cause I met two waitresses from there the other day. I said, yo, I always come there.
They ain't bring us some napkins. Look at your daughter. Look, lick it. You're gonna have to be ghetto. Sorry. Good girl.
So I told the girl I always come there. She's like, "Lie, what you always get?" I said, blackened shrimp and pink lemonade. But y'all don't do pink lemonade. So my waitress always go back there and mix something together and give me pink lemonade. That's how I always get pink lemonade. She said, "You're right. You don't have pink lemonade. You got to do a mixture to get it." I'm like, "Yeah, my waitress always takes care of me, but she don't work there no more. She moved back to, where she said she was from?
I forget. Somewhere far.
Tallahassee? Is it Tallahassee? So we're about done. Thank you for joining us.
And Stay tuned, cuz.
We have more videos coming. I rate her shrimp.
This one, this guy back here. He wants, we both planning to do a basketball tournament. So y'all gonna want to see that. I already told him.
She talk mad smack.
I'm gonna whoop his.
Because I'm Jamaican. I'm Jamaican. So she was like, oh, Jamaicans don't nothing but play no basketball.
I did not say it like that.
You fat. You can't play no basketball. I'll whoop your ass in the basketball
That's what I
court.
told him.
You told us both them things. A Jamaican don't know nothing about basketball.
Oh, God.
So we planning a basketball game between both of us. So when we do that, we're going to post it for y'all. She said she going to win. But I'm going to teach her who's the real winner here.
Okay. But y'all, for real, we want to know which one better.
Comment who you think going to win.
Charlie's or what's your place to get Firehouse Up, please.
Oh, that too.
We going to be reading them.
Thank you for watching our video.
See you
This
later.
is Dre.
This is Cort. And baby Andrea.
Dre.
And we're out.